Happy hump day. Happy Wednesday before Thanksgiving. It's time to turn this party up. Time to get happy. If you have went through a fight or a battle, or are going through a fight or a battle, or you are seeing a fight or battle coming, know that I am here for you. I'm here fighting for you. Tammy, I'm just talking to all my strong women out there, the people that are bossing up in their life. If you've been through some battles, if you're going through a battle, if you're going to see a fight coming your way, can you just give God a praise right now that you made it and that you will make it? You see, that's where the growth is, guys. People want it to be easy. People want fat loss, balance, health to be easy. You got to fight for it tooth and nail. I'm not talking no fancy fight like, let me give it a little jab over here and let me give it a little kick over there. No, you need to crawl. You need to just grind. You need to fight, kick, bite them to get to where you want to be in life. It's not going to be handed to you. It's not going to be a pretty fight. Okay, so you got to be mentally prepared to get raw, to get real, and to really push your mind, body, and spirit to the next level, okay? Today, we're going to have a fun workout. It is Born Again Booty. We're going to be birthing a new booty to give you that strong backbone to kick butt in life, guys. You've got to have the indomitable will to fight all the challenges in your life and not back down. You see, sadly enough, sometimes your closest friends or family want you to wither away and get weak mentally. Want you to wither away and get weak physically, spiritually, emotionally. Okay? They don't want to see you doing good, but I'm here to tell you something. I'm here to serve notice, an eviction notice on the negativity to get it out of your life once and forever in honor of Thanksgiving. We got to give thanks. We got to give praises. How can you receive more if you're not thankful for what you have already right here, right now? The battle of the mind is real, guys. One of my good friends was thinking she was going to pull out of a competition, and I said, you fought too hard to get to this point. Ask yourself this question. Are you going to just roll over and play dead? Are you going to just roll over and let the enemy and the negativity have its way in your life? Are you just going to roll over and say, well, that's just life. I'm going to go with the flow. No, if you go with the flow, it's going to flow you right down the river, in the gutter, into your grave, okay? You got to fight for your right to your beautiful life. You can do it. That's what I coach. All right here in jnlvip.com. We are together in this, okay? So I want you to exercise your faith muscles, exercise your gratitude muscles. I'm exercising my lungs, guys. My lungs, look, I'm sweating already delivering this message to you because this is what people really need to hear, okay? And to all my influencers out there, are you influencing or are you being influenced by the game? Okay, it's all cool to say, I like this, I like that, I endorse that, but watch yourself in this slippery, slippery, slippery world. You got to keep your message. You got to keep your focus right. You see, guys, I don't even have a script. I'm pulling this out from just like divine intervention. I want to tell people to stop playing with fire. You're going to get burned, okay? You got to keep angels around you. You got to keep an angel network around you. All right? There's people out there with a shovel with your name on it. They're digging your grave, digging your ditch. When there's other people that are the wind underneath your wings. People are trying to clip your wings, or they want to be the wind underneath it. I want to be the wind underneath your wings so you can soar to new heights, okay? Did you know eagles have a wingspan of 9 feet? Chickens just got this little thing right here, and they flap. No matter how hard they flap, they can't fly. So stop hanging out with chickens when you know you were born to soar like an eagle, guys, okay? I'm done preaching. Let's get to working and pumping. 8 a.m. Born Again Booty. It's booty, 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 booty. Booty time. And oh yeah, in honor of Tina Turner's birthday yesterday, turning 80, we're going to be doing some Proud Mary today, okay? So make sure your shoes are tied on tight. I'll see you at 8 a.m. jnlvip.com. Nothing like it. Nothing ever will be like it. This is real, raw, uncut, uncensored. For all my VIP members, congratulations. For all the people that want to join, what's holding you back? It's $1. No contract. Come go. I don't care. I'll still be here. I'm getting mine today. That's what's up. Let's do this. Boom. Woo! I'm sweating up a storm over here already. Love you, Susan.